In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Canva. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. Click the official Canva website in the results so you land on the correct page, then sign in to your account. Logging in ensures you have access to your designs and any saved brand assets, and it also unlocks the full library based on your plan. Next, open an existing design or create a new one. Choose a canvas size that fits your project, whether that's a presentation, a social post, or a custom dimension. Starting with the right format helps you visualize how large your icons should appear. On the left sidebar, click the Elements tab. This is your hub for graphics, shapes, stickers, and more. At the top of the panel, you'll see a search bar. Type a clear keyword for the icon you need, something like email, user, or Instagram. If you don't find what you want immediately, try a singular or plural version, or a close synonym to broaden results. Just below the search bar, click the Graphics filter. This narrows the results to icons and illustrations, hiding photos and videos so you can focus on clean, usable symbols. It's a quick way to eliminate visual noise and find what you need faster. To make sure your icons look consistent, open the filter options using the small icon with 3 horizontal lines in the search bar. Set color to your brand colors to keep everything on theme. If you know your hex codes, use them. Otherwise, pick from the palette that best matches your style. Choose an orientation, square, vertical, or horizontal, so the icon fits your layout without awkward cropping. Decide whether you want static or animated icons. Static icons are perfect for print and most graphics, while animated ones add motion for videos or reels. Finally, choose the price filter. Select Free to limit results to icons available on the free plan, or include Pro if your subscription allows it. When you click an icon, it appears in your design. To customize it, use the color tiles in the top toolbar. These tiles represent the editable colors within that icon. Click a tile and swap it for a brand color to instantly match your palette. If the icon has multiple colors, you'll see multiple tiles. Note that not every icon supports color changes. If you don't see tiles, that graphic is likely fixed color. That's it. You searched, filtered for the right type, matched style and pricing, and adjusted colors to fit your brand. You're ready to build crisp, consistent designs with icons in Canva.